Hey you guys, so I am back with another tutorial. Today's look was heavily inspired by Buzz Lightyear and his poppin' colors. I love green and purple together. My all-time favorite color is black. I love black, followed by purple. So this look is just screaming to me. I don't have any Toy Story or like Buzz Lightyear attire, so this was the purple and green that I do have. I know I did a Reptar inspired look not too long ago, but this photo was taken probably like 2 or 3 months ago, and I never did a video, but this one was on the list as requested by you guys to do next. I think I'm gonna do the red, white, and blue tutorial after this. If you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Today's Black History Fact is brought to you by Miss Melissa Freeman, a 92-year-old doctor. Miss Freeman, a native of the Bronx, graduated medical school in 1955 and started practicing medicine in 1961. Today, she has been a doctor for more than 60 years. Miss Freeman treats between 150 to 200 patients a year, sometimes practicing as late as 9 p.m. Let's give it up for Miss Freeman. Thank you for your hard work. This is the final look. Got the green popping, got the purple. Now you can see the purple and green a little bit better. This technique, when it's like more straight lines and very strategic, is called strobing. It's still a part of highlighting. Highlighting is illuminating or accentuating any high planes of the face, anything that you want to stand out just a little bit more. On my lips, this is Try Again lipstick from the Aaliyah collection. Oh my gosh, love it. If you got Easy Babe from the Nicki Minaj collection, they are so close to each other. Try Again is just a pinch lighter, a little bit more beige in it, and the Nicki one had a little bit more like yellow, warmer brown undertone in it, but they are so similar. So if you didn't get your hands on that one and you really loved it, get your hands on this one. And honestly, this packaging is so much better. They did Nicki so wrong. They made her they made her collection mainly the normal black packaging, but the Aaliyah collection is in this beautiful burgundy packaging. I love every product that I use, minus that hard candy spray. I think it's the mesh, the sprayer that helps it mist is like so messed up. Y'all saw that thing like shot on one side of my face and then it hit my forehead. It was just a hot mess. I have missed you guys so much, and we are at 14K. We're almost at 14,300 right before I started recording this. So yeah, oh my gosh, the channel is growing so fast, and I just want to keep putting out videos, keep putting out love. I started YouTube because I just needed a personal outlet, like my home away from home, where I can just talk about fashion, I can talk about hair, makeup, anything that I love. And I'm not gonna lie, when I first made my channel, it was a little bit selfish, not selfish in a bad way, but I wanted to record my life so I can look back at it when I'm older and see just the creativity that I've always had, and just really just to have documentation of my life. Right now, I am 22 years old. This October, I'll be 23. But anyway, leave a comment down below what you have been doing this summer. I just went to Fort Myers Beach. Not Fort Myers Beach, but Fort Myers, Florida in general. I forgot the name of the beach we went to, but it wasn't Fort Myers Beach. We had a great time. It was really nice. I'm gonna include some photos. It's almost time for me to get signed up for school again. I already have my 2-year, my associate's degree, so now I'm working on bachelor's. My major is business. This is the semester that I'm most excited for. So we are just gonna keep all the energy positive, because my college experience has literally been up and down, like 60-40, but you know, positivity, keep that uplifting spirit, and good things will happen. I love you all once again. Thanks for watching. Give me a share, a like, a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to StylezByJuBae. I'll see you on the next one. Adios. Just got here to the Lazy Flamingo. Let's check it out. It's a raw bar and grill. Hey, Bella. Love the paint. Nice setup. Next to the Krusty Krab.
Oh, it feels good out here. Don't it?
It does feel good out here. Take a peek at the Hey, Billy. Hey, Billy. So we are here at the Lazy Flamingo. Well, we just had lunch, and we're right here at the beach at a forgot the beach name, but I'll probably insert it at the bottom. Just took time to blow up the floaty. We got our, what's it called? Bluetooth speaker. It's actually waterproof as well. Whoop, whoop, pink and green. Ah, something's biting me. Check out the fit. Got the pink and green. The all black. When I tell you that it is scorching hot, it is so hot. I'm not even a fan of the beach, but you know, family vacation, we're having fun. I don't like the beach only because of, one, the sun, and the sand. Oh my gosh, I hate how sand feels. I know it's just sand, but it literally makes me feel so dirty, and it sticks to you and you can't get it off. It's like glitter, but just worse. I like glitter, but sand is no ma'am. Such a great day. It was supposed to be raining at 4. Woo, knock on wood, because it is after 4. And there are only cranes in the sky, baby. That's how you know it's gonna be a good day.